Hey guys, Kid Swimming here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool slime-like material, and it's called Oblek. What you will need is a baking pan, some napkins, cornstarch, a spoon to scoop out the cornstarch. You also need water and something to contain it with. Alright, so I'm just gonna get the cornstarch here. So this is a tablespoon. You're just gonna take I wouldn't make it perfect, I would just make it heaping. So it's like a little over, but not too much. And you just plop it right in there. You're gonna add more on later, but let's just put that aside for now. Now, there's not really a correct measurement unless you're wanting to make like a really big amount of oblek. In that case, you want to make like a batch of it, but we're just kind of making it so that it's just however many oblek you want. So just put a little splash of water in, let it let the cornstarch take the water in like a sponge, and just move it around a little. If it's not enough to make it kind of weird, like then you don't have quite enough water, and then just pour a little more in, I guess. Just to move it around a little. Now see, that's a little too liquidy, so you want to get a little more cornstarch. Now this is just like, it's not really a recipe. Like, you need cornstarch and water, and then you just kind of put it in. So it's really in how much you put in, so there's not really a correct measurement. Right. So you know, just a tiny bit more cornstarch. Okay. Then you just mix it in with your hand. If you don't want to get your hands messy right away, you're gonna probably use a spoon of some sort to mix it in. Now, so the properties of oblek is kind of weird. It's actually a solid and a liquid at the same time, and I think that's pretty neat, because what else is a solid and liquid? Please comment if you can think of anything else that's a solid and a liquid at the same time, even a gas. But I don't think that's possible, unless it's some kind of like Marvel alien or whatever. I don't know. So you got your oblek ready. So I think that was pretty fast. But obviously you're probably not gonna want this much oblek. That's not a lot. So we're gonna put some more in. And napkins come in handy if you need to get some oblek off your hands, so you don't want to get any oblek in the cornstarch, because you may want to use it for baking or whatever. I don't know. But here, let's add a little more. But I would definitely start out with a heaping tablespoon. Then just splash some water in and just mix it all up with your hand. Again, you can use a spoon if you would like to. Don't have to. Alright. Try to get it all in there. Now this is a little more liquidy because I added a little more water than there was cornstarch to absorb. So I'm putting more cornstarch in, just like this. Alright, just like so. Now, and if you want to like sell this at like a school store or whatever for your school, or just sell it around your neighborhood with your friends or whatever, a baking pan is actually a great thing to do it with, because you can make it in here and everything, and then you can put what's it called, I want to say wrapping paper, yeah, wrapping paper on it. Oh, sorry about that. Kicked my tripod. The clear stuff to put it over with, so they can see what it is, and then you can write on it and label it or whatever. So I think that could be a good idea also. So that's this is why this is such a great thing to use it for. Alright, so I'm just doing the same thing right here. I'm just mixing it up, pouring water, putting a little cornstarch in, mixing it up. Just, that's really how it works. I'm really just goofing off here with it. Alright, so I got a pretty big batch of oblek now. So great. I think it's pretty cool. If you try to poke it fast and hard, it won't let it in. It's kind of weird. I don't know if you can see that very well, but see that? It's like I'm pushing in and then it goes back. But then when I let my finger stay in, it kind of just absorbs my finger. I think that's also kind of cool. If you it just sits just like this. It stays a solid, but if you try to pour it, it's more of a liquid again. You see that dripping down. Excuse me. That's pretty cool. And also if you scoop it, here, just yeah. So if you scoop it, it's a solid again, and it's like really hard to scoop it sometimes, but sometimes it's not. Alright, so I scooped it, and then I'm letting it go back to a liquid on my fingers. Before I show you the last part of this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more cool videos like this and not like this. Last thing before I end this video, I'm going to show you this cool experiment that I thought of. Well, I might have not thought of it. Someone else could have thought of it, but I didn't watch any videos on it, so I'm pretty sure I thought of it. Let me know if I did not, but I think it's pretty cool. Right. So I'm going to take some duct tape, right? Then make sure it's nice and sticky. Now, for whatever reason, this is kind of old duct tape, so that was not sticky at all. So I'm gonna throw that out. Now that's more sticky, so I'm just gonna rip it off. No, that was not the good one. Difficulties with tape. Alright, I'll just use here. Whatever. I'll just use that. Alright, it's pretty sticky. Sticking in my finger. Now I'm gonna put this in here. Alright. It's not really absorbing it that much. Even if I press it down, it's not really. Like, it's like, I can peel it right off, but with some difficulty, I guess. But, yeah. But since I'm not moving the oobleck too much, it's not really a liquid at the moment, it's more of a solid. And then there's this here. Now. And I'm just trying to peel all of this oobleck off. And do that with my clean finger. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's not sticky at all now. The oobleck itself is sticky, but the tape is no longer sticky. Alright, now I'm gonna move this around a little so it's more of a liquid, and I'm having some difficulty to get this tape apart, so, and it'll help with the oobleck here, and now it's like no problem to get it apart where I put it. Now let me, yeah. Now I'm just gonna get some right here, and I'm gonna try to pull it apart. Oh, it's cut there. That's fine. But I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, have fun with your oobleck, and if you want, you can put flavors like chocolate or vanilla or strawberry or whatever into your oobleck. And oobleck just fell onto my foot, and it's like melting on my foot basically. Oh, that's weird. That feels really weird. Okay, well, anyway. You can put flavors into the oobleck if you want, because the oobleck is edible. It doesn't taste good. I've had my friends tried to eat it before. It's disgusting, I've heard. I'm not gonna do that. Well, but if you want to put flavors in it, you can do that. If you have really small kids that are just gonna eat it anyway, why not make it taste good or whatever? But if you don't want them to eat it, don't put flavors in it, because they're probably gonna like the flavors. I don't know. But thanks for watching, guys. Please like this video, and comment what you think of it, if I should change anything, if I should do certain videos or whatever, because I honestly don't know. I have a few ideas what to do next, but otherwise I don't know what I'm gonna do. So please comment what I should do. So yeah, and have a nice day. Bye.